Hello everybody, welcome back. Happy Thursday. So I know a ton of you guys are a fan of matcha green tea flavored desserts, and I knew that I had to do this cake, and I've been putting it off for years. I don't even know why. But today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious, the softest, most moist matcha green tea cake. And it's topped actually with 2 shades of buttercream. We have the matcha buttercream and then the white buttercream on top, and it's dusted with matcha green tea powder just to look cute. Like, how cute does this look? I was like, how can I decorate this to make this look a little different, a little fun, and I thought that this was a really fun way to do it. So let's get started. Alright, so first things first, we're going to bake the cake. You want to beat some butter and sugar with an electric mixer until it's pale and smooth. Add the vanilla extract and eggs one at a time, mixing with each addition. In a separate bowl, combine the flour, matcha green tea powder, baking soda, and salt. Add this to the batter in 2 additions, alternating with some sour cream. Spoon the batter into 3 greased and floured 6-inch round cake pans. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes, or until a skewer inserted into the centers comes out clean, and then cool completely. To make the buttercream, beat the butter with an electric mixer until pale and fluffy. Add the vanilla extract and confectioner sugar 1 cup at a time, beating with each addition. Set aside about 1/3 of the buttercream, and then add some matcha green tea powder to the remaining 2/3 of buttercream and mix well. To assemble the cake, slice the tops and bottoms off the cakes to smooth the surface and remove any excess browning. Place the first cake on your work surface and add a dollop of matcha buttercream. Spread this onto the surface, then repeat with another layer of cake, buttercream, and then the final layer of cake. Coat the cake in a thin layer of matcha buttercream called a crumb coat, and this is going to catch any excess cake crumbs. Then chill the cake in the fridge for 20 minutes. Coat the cake in a thick, generous layer of matcha buttercream, and you can use a palette knife to create a really nice, smooth surface around the cake. Then place the white buttercream into a piping bag fitted with a large round piping tip. Then pipe rings of white buttercream onto the top of the cake, starting with the outer ring and working inwards. And you want to make sure that they're all touching each other. After you do that, dust it with some matcha green tea powder, and you are done! So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. If you have some other cake recipes that you'd like me to make, definitely leave them in the comment section down below. I'm thinking of doing specific color cakes, like a red cake, pink cake, orange, yellow, blue, all that kind, but there's like very specific colors. I think it would look so pretty. So if you like that idea, let me know in the comment section down below. Tomorrow I have the most exciting announcement I've made ever on this channel. It's a huge milestone that I'm going to be announcing tomorrow, so make sure you stay tuned. If you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you get notified when tomorrow's video goes live, because you don't want to miss it. I'm so excited! Oh my gosh. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!